Hi, my name is Matt from ClickBid, and in this tutorial I want to show you how to use our embeddable donation form. The embeddable donation form allows you to take our existing donation system and add it to your corporate webpage to make things easier for your donors to give to your nonprofit. The great thing about our online donation form is that it's free and included with your annual license. You don't need to sign up with another service, pay additional ongoing fees. It is absolutely free, and we encourage you to use it to save costs on every donation and to keep things all under one roof. If you go to your donations text to give menu item and choose settings, you'll see this online donations area, and you'll have a link that you can click on, and it'll take you to our donation form where you can set suggested amounts, you can set a goal, people can leave comments. And what we did was take this and allow you to embed it directly into your website so that you're promoting your organization's site and getting more clicks to you. To do that, just scroll down here to the new embeddable donation form, and you have two options for embedding into your website. The JavaScript code option is just a simple click of the button and you can paste this into your website. Or if you're using some popular tools like Wix or Squarespace and they don't allow you to embed JavaScript code, you can use the iframe code option as a backup. In fact, what I want to do is show you how to use the iframe code in a WordPress site, just to show you what I mean. So first I'm going to click on iframe code as my copy option, and then it's going to ask me for a website URL. So what I'm going to do is type in my nonprofit website address, clickbid.org, and then I'm going to click on copy embed code. It gives me a confirmation, and then I'm going to jump over to my WordPress website, and this is me editing my WordPress page. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to all pages, I'm going to choose donation, and then it's going to let me embed. What I want to do is get rid of this code from a previous test, and what I want to do is, this is my donation page. Now you can tell it's very basic. WordPress is extremely robust with a lot of different options, but I just wanted to keep it very simple. I created a page called donation, and then I put please complete the form to give us a valuable donation today, and then I want to choose a new block. If I click the plus button to add a block, in WordPress I would choose custom HTML, but the most common term that you hear when adding elements like our donation form to your website is it's called an embed. And you can embed a web page into another site like your nonprofit. And I'm going to just choose custom HTML, and then I'm going to paste using Control V the code that I copied from ClickBid. Remember, I went to donation settings, put in my nonprofit website, and then I pressed copy. And that's it. I'm just going to save this, and then I'm going to view the page. And now you can see that I have my online donation embedded right in my nonprofit website. So let's go ahead and make a donation. And let's do, and I'm going to put in a street address. Everybody write this down so I can get some really great Christmas cards. And then I'm going to press add payment, and it is going to give me a card entry field. I'm just going to choose a test card, and submit. Now once this submission is complete, it's going to push me to the confirmation page of where I made my donation. And you can see here, success, you've made your donation. It shows here on the list, 8 donations. Thank you for your contribution. And then I can press continue. And now I've landed back on my nonprofit's website. So that is a complete full circle of my donation. And this will continue to operate over and over and over for thousands of dollars worth of donations. Now, if you wanted, I'm going to go ahead and choose back. and go back to my edit page donation, WordPress allows you to also embed JavaScript. So if I embed JavaScript and I take this out and I paste my JavaScript in and save, I've added my JavaScript version instead of my iframe version, and it looks exactly the same, but there is one unique difference. I'm going to complete the same transaction. So if you missed my address, you can go ahead and add that back in. I'm looking forward to those cards. And notice nothing is different. It's the exact same. I pasted in the JavaScript version instead of the iframe version, but notice I didn't have to put in my nonprofit website URL. When you use JavaScript, it doesn't require you to leave this page. So it will submit my donation right on this page. And you'll notice, once it's done, you can see here that I've made my donation. And now it's complete. So I didn't actually leave the donation page at all. I actually just finished that donation. Now, when you use the iframe, it does bounce you to the ClickBid site, and then you can press continue to move forward. If your Wix or Squarespace or Joomla or whatever platform you're using doesn't like the JavaScript code. So we just wanted to give you a backup option. And that's all there is to it. You can always make changes to your settings here. You can change, the title for the donation campaign, your suggested amounts, and so on. And it will add and update those settings when people view them on your website instead of ClickBid's website. If you have any questions, please let us know. We're always happy to help, and happy fundraising.